Hey y'all, so for this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these beautiful twists using Outres springy afro twist hair. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned.
You're black, love, and confident too. Kind of quintessential and you loving you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, it's your girl here, Janae, back with another video. So you are here because you want to see how I actually install these twists right here. You can call these spring twists, you can call these afro twists, whatever you want. So the hair that I did get was outre expression twisted up hair. So I did get these springy afro twists, which is in 24 inches, and then it does create spring twists or any bomb twists or anything like that. So this is what you see here. I did get it in color 1B, and this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how the actual hair look itself. So this hair is really bomb. It looks just like my hair, which I love, but you see how it's all fluffy and everything. So yeah, I'm actually excited to show y'all how I do this. This is how it also looks without the package. So as you see, it has the little coily ends right here, and then all you gotta do is just take it apart, separate it, and you can really use just this one section at a time, or you can split this one section in half. So me, I just split this one section in half, and then I just twisted up my hair. It took me 2 hours on this side and also 2 hours on this side. So I did split my hair into 4 sections so that way it could be easy for me to install. What I am doing to make it easier for me, all I do is just split this hair in half. This is how it looks, and then all I do is just put it on this thing right here, y'all. It makes life so much easier. So after that, I just put all of my twists on here so that way I could be more organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all on here. I'm gonna be right back. This is how the hair looks with it all on the rack here. Look at the hair texture, y'all. Look, it's so amazing. I could do some more stuff with this. I did blow dry my hair, so I did stretch it out. I washed it and everything, so it's pretty clean. So all I'm doing here is just unraveling, making sure also that I don't have any tangles, so I will be detangling. You want to make sure that your hair is really detangled before you actually start parting and twisting, because that can actually make the process a little longer. We don't need that, you know. We're trying to breeze through this, y'all. After I do all of that, this is how it looks. So I am actually going to start the part in my hair. Now your parts don't really have to be that neat. My parts really ain't that neat in the back, of course, because it's the back, but I am going to try to make it at least more neater. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna make like my section this big. In the back part, I just did like this, and I just used my fingers to actually part it. Your parts do not have to be neat. Like I said, this is like an afro kinky look, and most of the time, your parts are really covered. You can't even see my parts or anything. I don't think you can. But yeah, so you really don't have to worry too much, but you just want to get it as straight as possible, so that way any other hairs don't have to intertwine with your braids or your twists. The products that I am going to be using today is the Curls, the Ultimate Styling Connection Be Smooth Curl Butter Gel, which is great for protective hairstyles, and I love that it's a soft hold, and it actually doesn't revert my hair too much depending on how much I put on there. So as you see, I applied it on there. So now I'm just going to be taking my hair, and then what I'm doing is just wrapped it around my real hair. I make sure that it's at my roots, and then I'm just going to actually start braiding it first. Braid it down this much if you can see it, and so then after I braid it, I'm just going to start twisting it. As I twist it, if your roots are a little loose, it's okay, because as you twist it, my actual root starts to twist and tighten up. Alright, so as you see, I'm just gripping my hair to the roots, making sure that it's tight first. Then after that, I just start to twist my hair all the way till I get to the ends of the hair. A little details I want to let y'all know about this hair. It is 100% canacolon fiber, and it's also a very natural looking texture, but also soft as well. I love that part. I love that it isn't too rough against my actual real hair. It actually blends in really well, as you see. There are several different styles you can actually do with this hair. You can do faux locks. You can also crochet your hair in. I mean, there's plenty of options. I feel like it's limitless only because it does match our natural hair so perfectly that you can really kind of pull this off as your own hair. I'm just saying. But as you see, I'm just continuing on doing the same process. My hair look with all of the twists installed. As you see, it's very natural looking. I love that it's fluffy and also soft. And I also going to show y'all the length of my hair. It is this long, so as you see, it's a little below my shoulders. And this is the final look. I just added some gold hair accessories in there, and I added little keychains just to make it a little cute. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, and love y'all. Bye.